Hello, it's us again. And Miss Earplugs here. What are we doing? We're not doing anything spectacular tonight. She's eating ramen and poking me with the magic hand. Stop with the hand.
This would be perfect for school. If you don't have a ruler, you go like...
Yeah. We have a laser pointer in the store. Get that out of my face. So what are we talking about? Are you trying to stick out my nose? Something like this? Yeah. I'll go on camera. Yeah, like this dude.
No.
Eat your ramen.
Okay.
I bought that so we can go like this. On camera next week we have ramen. We have Kaya's ears. Can poke you. Haha. So yeah. She hasn't been on camera in a while because, I don't know. What have you been doing?
Just staying home.
Playing Roblox. Do you like Roblox?
Yeah, it's the funniest game.
Do you still like coming to the garage? No. You still like the garage?
Yes.
Stop! I moved your bender over there.
What?
The bender's right there. Your favorite toy? A 350-pound bending machine. We're sitting on the kitchen bench that I'm waiting for hardware to do the bottom, and I'm getting things stuck in my ear. See? Oh, look! Ow! Ow, it hurts. That does hurt. That does hurt. Stop! 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 Eat your rum. You're gonna knock it over. So anyway, we're testing out the bench. Kaya's never seen this bench. It's not in its finished form, and I'm waiting for the little adjustable feet and the little what are they called? Weld cups. What it's called? Don't do that on the camera. You'll break it. You're gonna scratch the video. I can poke my eye. Should I get one with a spoon on it too or something? I'll get a big hand, like big crazy hand.
Big crazy hand.
Big crazy hand. Yeah. Do a new format tonight. It's called bench format, right?
Yeah.
That's your arm. Yeah, I got a crazy arm. So anyway, that's what we're doing. We're not doing anything exciting right now. When you bring kids to the garage, you don't get anything done. So, what's up? You know you have to talk to the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're all shy now. What else do we have in here?
A bunch of hammers.
Bunch of hammers. Uh-oh, somebody likes hammers on there. Who's that guy that likes hammers again? The guy who sent us a sticker in the cup. What's his name again?
Arco.
Oh, there we go. Some guy likes hammers. Should we show him a hammer? All right, look this. Oh, look. This will be the hammer episode. There's one hammer. See? What kind of hammer is this?
Hammer.
Oh, it's a snap-on. Made in USA. With a snap-on handle.
Spicy.
Yeah, she's a ramenista here. Eat it before you knock it over all over my floor, and I can't figure out a way to clean it up except for getting the mice to eat it.
Yeah, get the mice to eat it.
Yeah, they probably would. I set a mouse trap back there so long ago I forgot about it. The mice ate the mice. Yeah, they ate the mice. Careful, you're gonna knock it over. Should we turn the light on, maybe? Pull the chain. Pull. Oh my god, we have lights.
Yeah, and you have the shiny head.
Yeah, look at that shiny head. Can you...
And today I'm wearing a skirt and Crocs.
Skirt and Crocs. Everybody out there, get yourself some ugly Crocs. Apparently they're very comfortable, but ugly as F-U. Whatever. So yeah. This is the first time you're eating on camera. Do you know how many subscribers I have now? 565. It's been
200 years.
Yeah, feels like it. Almost 2 years? Yeah, it'll be 2 years this year. We've been making videos.
I'm gonna be 8 years old.
8? Well, you don't tell anybody stuff like that on here. Listen, there's weirdos that do all kinds of dumb things. So anyway, she'll be 8 years old. Yeah, this is the non-bench video. How long is this video now? Oh, we're up to 4 minutes, almost 5 minutes. A 5-minute video of us doing zero work because, like Danielle says, all we do is talk in videos. Like talking to videos.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I found 1, 2, 3, 4 tape measures.
4 tape measures.
Yeah, there's a few more in here somewhere. Oh, there's one over there at 5. There's one right there at 5. There's number 6. Yeah, I think there's one over there too.
Number 6.
Yeah, right there. See the little black and the red dot? The Lufkin one. Right up there. Right on that machine. Straight ahead. See where the trident gum? It's up top. And I think there's some more on there. I had about 12 tape measures because you lose them and you leave them someplace and you never go back to it. And you go back to it and you lose it. And you never go back to it. And you know,
Yeah,
stuff happens.
there's one mini tape measure at our house.
Got a mini one too. Is it a Milwaukee one? A red one?
Yeah, what? Red one.
Yeah, it's a red one.
It's this big.
Yeah, it's this big. Yep, 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 yep.
Remember the time I was riding that bike?
Yeah, I put up in the ceiling for now. It's got 2 flats. I want to fix the other one up there. The old Schwinn. Got an old Schwinn bike, but the front bars that hold to the where the handlebars connect, one of them came off, so I have to maybe TIG weld it back together. Give it some strength. Burn the frame up and TIG weld it. That's what I'll probably end up doing. Is it good? Actually, that ramen's the best ramen I've tried so far. We go to the Chinese grocery store on here, or Asian, or whatever, Southeast Asian, whatever it's called, and they got all ramen from everywhere. So we play the ramen lottery. We buy random ramens and try them, and oof. The last one I had was terrible. It literally smelled like ass.
Yeah, it did.
It smelled like poop. Like I'm not saying it was like, you know, there's.
I'm
I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it, but it had a horrible smell.
It smelled so bad.
Yeah, like it had a lot. It had 7 or 8 packages to put in there, and it was freaky. So yeah, look at that. We can see under the bench from here too.
We have 8 hammers because one over there and.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whatever that, 8. There's one up top, 9, a rubber one. There's one right there too, 10. 10 hammers, Arco. That's all we got. 10 hammers. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Yep. The ramen episode. Maybe I'll make another test video episode where I go, test video! And all them, because one day somebody's going to sit there and watch all my test videos. So yeah. Like my power hacksaw. It's under there.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
And you know what?
What?
The 3 of your videos, like on the big TV, I press thumbs down.
She thumbs down my videos? People, you better go out there and thumbs up all of them.
No.
She's thumbs downing videos. It's a bad kid. Do any of your kids do that? Thumbs down your videos? It's okay. I delete her favorites off the list anyway. All your favorites on mine, I deleted them all.
I like the cat one you did.
Like, oh, with Pickers? Yeah. I do shorts of the cat every now and then.
Yeah.
You got a few views. Wait, let me see. How many views did he get? Let's see how famous our cat is.
Views.
Let me see. The cat video. Can you find the cat video? Hold on, we'll go to content. We'll go to shorts. Where's the little fuzzy creature now? The fuzzy cat video. Where is he? Stop! You always do that.
I'm trying to help.
There's the snake video.
Wait, what? Show me the snake video.
Look, see the snake. He got.
Oh yeah, my.
That video got 1,700 views.
Yeah, King Snake.
Oh, where's Pickers now?
Yeah, where's our cat?
Oh, Pickers got, this one got 102 views.
Oh, cool.
And the other one, where's the other buddy cat? 1,200 views on that one. He got 507 on that one. 49 on that one. Our cat's not very popular, apparently. Look, 72 views on corn. Corn video. That's pretty corny, that video.
Remember you told me that it wasn't you?
I know, like, yep. Look at all my videos. There's like 300 shorts in here.
Remember that drawing I drew you?
Yeah. She drew a drawing of me. I looked like I was as fat as a cow. Moo! I was like this big. My head was like really tiny. And I had giant hair. Brett.
Maya told me to draw hair.
Do we have a 10-minute video now? Holy crap. Let's stop this. I'm making one, okay? Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thumbs up, not thumbs down, like this one does.
Thumbs down for the gum.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs
And if you really like our channel,
down for gum.
what do you call it? Check it out.